Hello guys, my name is Jayanth. In this video, we are going to discuss about the super handy CSS property that is called inset. If you want to make your code clean and concise, definitely you're going to love this video. Let's get started. Whenever you set the position for an element, you are able to use the properties called top, right, bottom, left properties to move the elements to certain direction or certain place. But do you know that you can do all that with a single line of code? That is called inset property. By using inset property, you can set all the top, right, bottom, left properties in a single line. So let's check it out the code. If you see here, you're able to see we are able to set the position for an element, and after that you are setting the top, right, bottom, left properties. You are writing 4 lines of CSS code, and now you can see the code here. We are able to set the properties with the inset. In the inset, you will use the 4 values that will indicate top, right, bottom, left properties. By this way, instead of writing the 4 lines of code, you can simply do with the single line of code, that is inset. Remember that inset is your shortcut for positioning the elements quickly and neatly. Try it out in your next project. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.